I'm in a deeper part of the woods now. It's really quiet here. In the distance I can hear people talking and laughing. But mostly I can hear different kinds of birds. And I can hear the branches moving. So quiet. And the canopy is dense enough that it's blocking what little low sunlight would normally be reaching me. Over there you can see there's more sun getting through there, but it's really quiet here. And much cooler. Of course you get the natural effect of being in a forest and getting that nice oxygen. Now this is actually the slope that goes up to the observation deck, which I didn't want to take, but the route that goes past the little water wheel and the charcoal hut was blocked off for some reason, so I couldn't take that route. But I'm just going to sit here for a bit and enjoy the quiet and look at the birds. I can't get any pictures because they're moving around and they're hiding in the leaves a lot. And there are things that are falling to the ground, probably like seeds, like acorns or I don't know, whatever would fall from these trees. I don't even know what kind of trees these are. But it's really peaceful here. But there are lots of people up there by the observation deck. I can hear them talking. So yeah, if you live in this huge metropolis, the greater Tokyo metropolitan area, Kanto area, which has 38 million people, which is more than all of Canada. And Yokohama City is part of that, which has over 3 million, but densely packed. Like Calgary has about 3 million, but it's spread out really widely. But you can find places like this, if you know where to look, even in the middle of Yokohama City. It's nice. That's where I'm going next. It must be nice to come here after it's rained and see some water flowing around in here. I should come here more often, and I've said that every time I've come here and made videos here, I've said I should come here more often. The thing is, I should do what I say I should do. But I think a lot of you understand. You say things and then you wind up not doing them. But we'll see if I can change my ways.